Prevention wipes are ideal for fast and easy disinfection of high-touch surfaces and equipment throughout your spa or salon. Simply wipe the surface and walk away. Keep canisters of wipes in multiple locations to help simplify your disinfection protocols. It's also a great reminder to your clients that you take infection prevention seriously. Prevention wipes kill viruses, bacteria, and fungi in just 1 minute. If required, pre-clean any visible dirt or debris from the surface, pull a fresh prevention wipe out of the canister and remember to close the lid after. Wipe the surface evenly. Allow the surface to remain wet for at least 1 minute to achieve the disinfection. Then you can simply allow the surface to air dry. Your surface is now disinfected and ready for your next appointment. Prevention, everyday confidence.